everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty by Ada here. And if you're new to this channel, this is Beauty by Ada. This channel is all about makeup, hair, everything beauty and lifestyle, and everything in between. So don't forget to click that subscribe button, join the family, and click on the notification bell so you know whenever we post a new video. So guys, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. I really do appreciate you all. So today we're going to be doing this sleek makeup look. Like, this is like a natural glam. It's everything you want to do. It can serve as an everyday makeup look. It can serve as a no makeup look, nude glam, whatever you want to call it. This look is a look. Like, yeah. So I started off by using my facial primer. I started off by using my facial cleanser. I cleansed her face and I toned her face with my toner. And then now I used my primer, which is the Rimmel Stay Matte Face Primer, to prime her face. And then I'm doing her brows using my Jordana brow pencil and my Morphe angle brush, like the two-sided brush. The Jordana brow pencil has been my favorite. That is what I use. If you check out all my other videos, that is what I have been using. And also my Morphe brushes, I love them all. I'm looking forward to trying other brands too. I'm looking forward to trying other brands out. Let me just see what it's like. And after that, I'm going in with my ColourPop concealer. If you've been with me on this channel, this is what I use all the time. The ColourPop concealer and my LA Girl concealer. Those are my go-to concealers. I love those two concealers because of how they come out. They are lightweight and you don't even feel like you have anything on. So I love them both. So I'm using that to highlight her brow. So then after I do that, I usually go over with my concealer. I apply that all over her eyelid and then I blend everything out using my Real Technique Beauty Blender. And then I am applying my eyeshadow primer. This is House of Tara eyeshadow primer. It is a Nigerian brand. They are like, I don't think I have said this enough, but I really do love their primer. Like, this is what I have been using since ages. So I really do love that. And then I am going in with my James Charles palette. I love this palette so much because of its colors. It has so many colors. It has like the colorful, it has like It has like the natural colors, it has the whatever color. It's I love the combination of colors on this palette, so it works very well when I'm doing my colorful eye look, whenever I'm doing my soft glam, whenever I'm doing my nude makeup or my light, whichever makeup you're doing, it just kind of helps, like it falls into all those categories. So it's really, really good. I love how it serves me on everything I want to do. And after that, I keep blending in. Like I tell you guys, everything when it comes to makeup, the key to a flawless makeup application is blending. You need to blend everything in, like blend, blend, and blend, and blend, and blend, and blend, and keep blending. You get, like, keep blending. That is the key to a flawless makeup application. So blend. And then I'm going in, I'm applying my eyeliner. This is my L'Oreal cream liner. I got that off Amazon, so that's really a good deal. When if you don't want to spend, like, if you don't want to spend ton of money on makeup products, you can definitely go for this. It's not too expensive, and then it does the work still. So I think this is just it. It's worth the money and worth everything. So that's it. And then I'm lining her waterline using my black liner. I can't even remember the name of this liner. I've had it for a while. I've been using it. I'm thinking, but I can't remember the name. Sorry. Then I'm applying her false lashes. These are like really, really natural lashes. You won't even know she has anything on. It's just so natural. So now I'm about to highlight her face using my ColourPop concealer. Again, ColourPop, ColourPop, ColourPop concealer. And I am blending everything out, highlighting her face. So now I'm applying her foundation all over the face. I don't know, like you can do whatever you want to do, but sometimes I highlight before I apply my foundation. I know some people will be like wondering. I mean, you can do whatever you want to do. this is how I do mine. I apply my foundation before my highlighter. I highlight the face before applying the foundation, and sometimes I apply the foundation before highlighting. So it all just depends on the mood, on how I feel, and both of them works out pretty well for me. Either way, they both work out. So just do whatever you're comfortable with. Do whatever and however you want to do it. That's just you, you know. And then a little tip, after fixing the lashes, you notice I use like the clear kind of glue, or no, not the clear, like the white one, and then sometimes it dries up and then it doesn't leave any white. You don't need to see any color or anything, but then most times I just love my makeup being flawless and perfect, so I just go over that with my eyeliner. I still line it up to clear up any white color I'm seeing there left from the eyelash glue. So that's what I do. You can just do whatever you want to, but I just love a flawless makeup application. That's just me being a makeup artist. Okay, so and then after everything, I am applying her setting powder. I'm going to be setting under her eyes and everything, like the highlighted places. You already know how we do this. And then if you want more details, I have, this is all my videos usually are detailed, but then if you want more videos, I have tons of videos on makeup and hair and everything. Just go to my channel, look at everything you can, and you'll definitely be glad you did. You'll be glad you did, honestly. So just go down, and then I have detailed videos and everything on makeup look, and if there's any other thing you feel like you did not see there and you would want me to make a video, like to make a video of, you can just leave a comment in the comment section and I will definitely do that. If there's anything you want, this channel is all about, you need to learn, like learning. I teach and I teach, so you need to learn. If there's anything you feel like you want to see, just leave a comment in the comment section and I will definitely drop a video on that. I just enjoy doing all these things, so why not? So just leave a comment, and if there is anything you have your knowledge, you can as well share it in the comment section, and we all learn every day. So now I am applying her lip liner. Okay, now I'm thinking which lip liner is this. I don't know which lip liner this is, but oh gosh, what is it? What is it? I can't remember. Oh, I think it's the sleek lip liner, and then I'm going in with my sleek lipstick. Yeah, that's it. And I'm blending everything in, like I told you guys. Blend, blend, blend. Oosh, I can't seem to save my life. And then after that, I'm blending everything in using her powder, her shade of powder. Yeah, that's it. So I'm blending everything in, blending everything just to make her, oh gosh, she looks so beautiful. Like, girl. And then I am applying my blush. This is the e.l.f. blush palette. Yes. And I got that from Amazon too. The e.l.f. blush palette. She looks like a dove. Yeah, you can see everything is mild, nothing much, nothing too much. It shouldn't be too much. Just, oh, look at that. The setting spray is raining on her face. So now I'm applying the setting spray. We need to set that makeup. Yep, this is the setting spray, and then we are done. Girl, you are beautiful. Oh my god, I'm getting out of hand. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you love this look. Ooh, she's happy. Definitely, she's happy. This look, as you can all see, I hope you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Share to your friends and family if you find this video helpful. Click on that subscribe button and on the notification bell so you know when next I post my videos. I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye.